Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing about a relational database, and this relational database is managed from Google Cloud Platform, and this relational database management is called Google Cloud SQL. Again, in Google Cloud, in order to manage your SQL DB, whether it is Postgres, whether it is MySQL, in order to manage, we have this cloud SQL. So Google Cloud SQL, and again it is a completely managed relational database service, and in terms of replication, in terms of availability, in terms of consistency, everything is taken care, so that we don't have any issue in storing the data or retrieving the data. So it has automatic failover, which confirms that our database never fails. And apart from that, its availability is very much. Again, the cost also depends upon all these factors. The region in which you are setting up this, how many database, since it is fully managed, so you're not going to set up the infra. The infra will be taken care by this Cloud SQL, but the region, the cost, the time you are using this service, all those factors again contribute to the cost of this Cloud SQL service. When Google Cloud SQL integrates with Google Cloud Platform services like GCP, App Engine, Kubernetes Engine, it is easier to create and manage databases. So, if you want to set up Google Cloud SQL, first thing is instance. So again, you need to mention like how many instance you want to run. So we need to use a virtual machine called instance. Again, instance is created on the background. We just need to make sure which instance we want to do. Then again, we need to create a database. Again, it is a collection of data, and data is in structured form. So again, relational database. The only thing is like whenever you are going to set up this Google Cloud SQL, you make sure that you have properly set up the instance, you have created the database. Then again, once the database is created, whatever tables, if you want to import from your existing project, or if you want to create something, you can create tables, you can define the constraints, you can define the primary key, foreign key, all those things. So all those things can be done. Then important part is replication. So replication is very important because it makes sure that your database is available. So whether you are replicating at region level or zone level, so the again the cost will differ. Again, if you want to replicate on different regions, the cost will be different, and if you want to replicate this on different zones, so it cost will be different. So it will be a bit cheaper if you are going to replicate in within a zone, and if you're going to replicate for different region, that will be different. So just to make sure that your database is available, this replication part is very important. As I told you, it is fully managed setup, and you just need to import your database from your existing project, and then you can start working on it. Again, all those relational database concept, everything is already present in Cloud SQL. Again, you can use all those SQL query language in order to insert, delete, retrieve, or update data. So all those query language that all those commands that that will be applicable here. Again, you have your data control language through which you can create the users, and then based upon that, user will have those permissions, and it supports all those SQL languages, like it is SQL Server, Postgres, or MySQL. So any type of database that you have been using earlier, it is compatible. So Cloud SQL is compatible with all these three different types of databases. And in order to create, again, the interface is very simple. You just need to go to the Cloud SQL, and then there you need to create an instance. Once the instance is created, you need to set up the user who will be accessing this Cloud SQL. Then other part will be you can connect to this instance using G Cloud shell, that is out of the box provided by Google Cloud Platform. or you can also connect with some other medium. You can import the database, and then if it is related to some API, REST API, so the same connection string, so we have this connection strings available in the connection option. So whatever things that is required to connect this database to some third party API, all those things that we do for whenever we are going to import this, or when you're going to set up this database to some other platform, all those same rule apply, because again, in order to connect this cloud SQL with your REST API, you need a connection string. So the connection string, again, you can go to the database and you will find your connection string. You will have your private IPs. If you want to make this database accessible within the VPC that you have created, you can make those security arrangements. If you want to this database not to be accessible from outside, you can put all those things. If you want to allow only a particular IP address that will be capable of accessing this, so all those security things that you can do easily. So again, whatever you have been doing in your on-prem platform, same thing is there. Only thing is, you are not going to set up the infra, you are not going to install this MySQL. Everything will be there. And in terms of replication also, you just need to give this option that you want to replicate within a zone, or you want to replicate within a region, and all those settings will be done on the background. You just need to, the interface is very simple. You just need to make sure that you are giving these proper options, whatever settings you want to provide, and then based upon those settings, your database will be created, replication will be done, and then all the failover mechanism backup thing, it will be done automatically. And you can go with any payment option, pay as you go, or the time that you are using this managed service. Based upon that, your payment or bill will be generated. So this is all about Google Cloud SQL. And if you want to set up things faster, I think Google Cloud SQL will be the best choice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.